Well, we know it is fall because the rain is falling on the greenhouses.
Well, we wanted to talk about some of our favorite plant picks that we went over this year. They were brought to us by Blooming Nursery and Skagit Gardens.
We'll start out with this beautiful hellebore called Hellebore Jonas. I really love this plant because the blooms, hellebores tend to bloom a long time anyway, but this one blooms literally for months and months and just keeps on going. So it's a great plant, especially if you're a beginning gardener. It's hard to fail with this one.
And one of my favorites was the Uncinia Belinda's Find. It's called a red hook sage, and what's great about it, it's really short. It's got that glossy kind of brown and reddish tone to it. It's great for fall containers.
Next, we're going to talk about Nadia Thunder and Lightning. This was a great plant because of the variegated foliage and then those almost like a purple jewel tone bloom. Really a beautiful plant and adds a lot of color and pop to the garden.
I also really like the Hebe Turkish Delight. What a great Hebe. It's a small leafed, it's variegated, and the new foliage is purple, so it really goes in combination for a container or in your landscape.
And then there's also Dicentra Golden Heart. Now, of course, we all love Dicentras because of the bleeding hearts. They're beautiful, they're whimsical looking, but this one had that rich gold color foliage that really added an extra pop to the garden.
And this year we had a plant, it was one of the earlier ones, and it was a new primrose that was brought to us out of Ireland. And we put it in the garden and it did well, but those flowers just never came out of the crown of the plant.
And the name of that plant was Primrose Kennedy Irish Drumcliff. Now, I talked to the breeder of this plant because a lot of us got it and absolutely loved it with its rich foliage and beautiful blooms, but the blooms never seemed to get above the leaves, or hardly at all. And he said that one of the reasons was, we kind of tended to grow it a little bit too warm. So this year, since it's been out all year, I am looking for some beautiful blooms, and it is a wonderful, wonderful plant for the garden.
Now, many of these plants won't be available in your independent garden centers because of the seasonality of them. So make sure that you write down your favorites, go back to gardentime.tv and even look at that part of the website and take your selections to your garden center next year.